Now, I will explain the ideal conditions for optimum performance, maintenance, and troubleshootings of visible spectrophotometer. 1. When switch on the machine, compartment should be blank, no any cuvettes should be inside. 2. After power cut or switch off machine, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then switch on again. 3. Always use vibration-free table and voltage stabilizer for spectrophotometer. 4. Power supply and earthing should be proper and stable to avoid fluctuation and internal damage of components. 5. Instrument should be warm up at least 30 minutes before analysis. 6. Cuvettes should be cleaned with double distilled water and wipe with soft tissue paper after each analysis. 7. Transparent part of the cuvettes should always be in front of the light path. 8. Use glass cuvettes for visible range and quartz cuvettes for UV range. 9. No water chemical seepage in the cell compartment. 10. If dark color error is coming, make sure compartment is closed. 11. Alignment of light beam and cuvette can be improper if readings are not stable. 12. In double beam spectrophotometer, if display is not coming, rotate the knob which is back side of the instrument till digits show on display. 13. For self-testing of spectrophotometer, prepare 60 and 600 ppm standard solution of potassium dichromate. 14. In double beam, sample holder is in center of compartment. 15. In double beam, cell holder key will work if 8 programmable cell holders attached, optional. 16. Select correct wavelength. 17. Always hold cuvette on rough sides, not on transparent sides. 18. While filling the cuvettes, avoid spillage of the solution on the outer side of the cuvettes. 19. Don't keep the instrument in sunlight, it can heat up the instrument and will give inaccurate measurements. 20. General testing procedure of spectrophotometer. A. In visible range, 600 ppm potassium dichromate solution at 430 nanometer should be greater than 0.9 absorbance. B. For UV range, 60 ppm potassium dichromate solution at 235 nanometer should be greater than 0.7 absorbance. 21. Keep away instrument from magnetic field or any electronic device that generates high frequency. 22. If instrument not in use, keep under dust cover. Thank you.